Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I did a video on how to get your hair to have volume. Whether you have fine hair and it's thin or fine hair and it's like a little bit thicker. Either way, these products work amazing, and I have been doing hair for like 9 years, I think. And I have seen so many different products to thicken your hair, to add volume, to add texture. And I finally found something that works for me and my hair, and I'm so excited and I love it. Because I bleach my hair, I have more texture to my hair. So if you don't have color treated hair, that is something that you can do if you want to add texture to your hair, is to color treat your hair, bleach it and tone it, or just to add highlights or something like that. That will add texture to your hair. If you don't want to color your hair and you just want to get volume and texture with your natural hair, then these products should still do it for you as well. It may not look as volumized and textured as mine, but it will still add some volume and texture. You might want to use a little bit more product than what I use, or you can always go in and add more product once you work it in your hair and you feel like it's just not enough. You can always add more. So if you want to get this volume and texture in your hair, this is how you do it. I'm going to start by prepping my hair with the Kenra Whip Group Mousse and the Kenra Thickening Glaze. I'm going to blend that together in my hands, and be careful when you do this to not blend it too much, because then some of the mousse will disintegrate. Now I'm just going to work it into my hair and make sure I get it all really well and get my roots. Once I have that worked in, I'm just going to brush it through with my wet brush just to make sure that all the product is blended into my hair well. Now I'm going to blow dry my hair, and this attachment piece is important because it's going to control the airflow. And I want to do this in order to get my roots to lift up a little bit. I always love seeing the volume that I get after I blow dry my hair. Now I'm just going to run a brush through it to smooth it out a little bit. Using my 1-inch Numi wand, I'm going to start curling my hair. I'm going to clip back the section that I don't need, and I'm going to split my bottom section into 2 and start curling. If you have thicker hair, I recommend trying to do your bottom section in 4 pieces, so that way your curls are not too loose. I'm going to continue to subsection my hair and curl it and do different directions, so that way my style looks fuller. If you want to use a curling iron for this part instead of a wand, it will work just the same. I just prefer a wand because I feel like it gives a more natural wave as opposed to a curl. Now that all of my hair is curled, I'm just going to run my fingers through a little bit and kind of spread out the curls. Don't usually use a comb or a brush for this part, just because I feel like using my hands makes it look a lot more natural and still kind of piecey. Now I'm going to use this Kenra Dry Volume Burst. This is great to just get lift in your roots, and it really adds a lot of texture to my curls, which help hold my style. this look, I'm just going to take my teasing comb and back comb through some of the curls. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and I'll see you next time.